Alright, what's going on everyone? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I'm going to be doing is I have two designer items. Well, one of them is really a designer item, the other than one is actually a sneaker. I'm just really doing a two items under $100 unboxing because I got both these for under $100 and they both go for more than that. So I'm sort of going to teach you all how I did that, but then I'm also going to show you guys the items I got. So this is a little, not too expensive unboxing, but just a little something, you know, pretty cool, I guess, because, you know, I found these deals and they're really good ones, so glad to have them, you know? Be in a good mood, you know? But it's Sunday, so, you know, I got up late, slept in. That's pretty nice. And, you know, then I walked home from my friend's house, and yeah, now I'm just here making this video. So I got some stuff to show you all, so I hope you guys will enjoy it. If you want more unboxing content like this, Supreme videos, anything like that, comment some ideas, but also please subscribe below. That lets me know. And also drop a like in this video too. Trying to hit 100 likes, that'd be sick if we could do that, so please drop that like. I'll be noticing, so if everybody hits a like in this video, we'll definitely do it. If you do it for me, I'd appreciate it. Seriously, thank you all. And it gets my videos out there more, so if you guys drop a like, you know, more people see it. I appreciate y'all. Yeah, I really hope you guys will enjoy this video. Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram and all that down below. Tristan, Wick, CLT Steals. Hopefully I popped them up. They'll be there down in the description if you want to give me a follow also, if you don't already. Hope you guys will enjoy this video. Not gonna say too much more other than I'm about to show you guys the items. Let's get started. Okay, so for the first item, I wanted to get up close and show you all because that's actually what it copped. So the first item was I got this gold Gucci chain. I got it off Grailed. Shout out to Gerald, the jeweler. I got this for the steal. You see the pendant. This is what I copped. As you can see, it's like a double G pendant right there. I ended up getting this for I think 70, which is like a huge deal. But as you can see, you just got the little gold. It's like a 14K gold plated chain. Nothing crazy on the chain, but I'm really more a fan of like this pendant. Like this is so sick to me right here. This is real gold. It's two tones. You got silver and gold on it. Just some details right there. But I got this one for the steal, and Grailed has so many good deals and chains. Like I got this one, and I got the lock one. I think they go pretty nice together. So you know, I've been copping a lot of chains recently, but you know, that's sort of like my first cop. You know, Grailed again. Grailed for chains is like, Grailed always has the deals. This guy, you know, he sells a lot of jewelry, so like I was really happy to be able to cop this. And it's real gold, so that's pretty sick. Really glad to have something like that now too. So I got the Louis chain and I got the Gucci chain. I just gotta think about what I'm getting next because two's good, but I'm not done yet here. All right, I'm not done. I promise you. I like chains. All right, like ever since I started copping them, I was like, man, I want to get more, and then like pendants and things like that. So just like the first one was this like Gucci chain. I got it for a good deal. And, you know, again, just gonna mention it one more time. Grailed has all the steals for the chains. And you know, I really am a big fan of like the two-tone portion, like here. Like these details are so sick on it, like here, hopefully it focuses, but like the two-tone portion, like the silver and gold, I think looks really nice together. And the fact, you know, it's designer, so I mean, it's cool, but yeah, that's really where I find a bunch of deals on designer, like legitimate designer. You just have to make sure the sellers have a lot of references. Just go on Grailed, they'll have a ton of stuff like this. I don't know if you'll be able to find this exact one, but there'll be other ones like this. So yeah, now I got the gold and silver matching, and I got the two-tone and the Louis. So those are all the details right there. Those are my chains. So we got the curved Cuban chain, and then we got the 14K gold-plated chain with the Gucci pendant, and then the Louis Vuitton lock, which I do have the key for, just in my safe. I'm not gonna wear it on the chain because I would just look sort of like pretty dumb. But first little cop right there was the chain right there. So two-tone pendant, something a little slight to start off this first under $100 item that I copped. But I actually do have a pair of Jordans to show you all in here. As you guys can tell by the box, we got some pretty cool Jordans, size 10 ones that I actually copped. Y'all could probably see that, so size 10 one I copped. So I'm about to show you all, so let's do that. All right, so the Jordans I got, I think this is called, like here, what's the name for them? It's the Black Varsity Red Sail colorway, apparently. Basically, here's what they look like. I'm just gonna open them up. Here's what I got them. Shout out Midland Kicks for these. I got these for 80, massive steal. This dude, he's throwing steals all the time. All right, I'm not gonna say too much, but just go check out his page if you want some deals. So I got these ones for 80, so whether it's a deal or not, I just thought they were super dope. The way that he laced them up for me, they had the mismatching laces, so one has black on them and one has green on them. I'm probably gonna change them both to green, I think. Or I might try changing them to green and red. I have to decide because actually I got, as you can see, two pairs of brand new laces. So we got some red ones and green ones. So I think I'm gonna change them both to green. I just think I mess with that more. But overall, I'm gonna set one of these pairs down just so I can talk about it. Shout out to him for also with the OG box. I appreciate that. But looking at this, like as you can see, you got some embroidery right here on the Jordan, which like, look, like that goes kind of crazy. Like, look at this, like they embroidered the whole entire thing with different colors here. So really good quality. And then you can tell here, you know, they've been worn, but obviously that's how I got them for 80. But again, like nevertheless, like they still look like they're in very good condition, as you can tell. The bottoms are very clean. Like, look, these are virtually like brand new. Not brand new, but like 9 out of 10, something I would say. But as you can tell, these are good quality, well done. So I'm very happy to have these. And you know, I'm gonna try them on foot. Obviously right now, as you can tell, I'm not really wearing like an outfit to like put these on, but I'm still gonna put it on like right now to show you all what they look like. And it's my size 10, so that's dope. Oh, he put, also to avoid creasing, he put some tissue paper, or not tissue paper, but like some plastic bags in the inside so they wouldn't crease while being shipped. I really, like, he's smart. I appreciate that. You're using your head mid-land kicks. Good job. Okay, now I have to untie these bad boys. They got tied pretty interesting. And they're laced a little high, but that doesn't matter. I can lace them how I want. I'll just change it. Oh, and some more details on the sneaker. You can see it says Nike Air right there. I think that's pretty cool. Just a very small detail though. Okay, so I'm not gonna lace them, but let's see if I can even stick my leg this high. But on foot, there they are, as you can tell. Okay, that's not working. All right, so it's gonna go sideways for a sec, but on foot, here they are. I think they're pretty sick, as you can tell. Like, I really mess with these. I'm wearing them with low socks, so maybe not the moves, but sideways camera angle, you can tell these are pretty sick. Very comfy. Not gonna say too much more than that. I'm gonna keep rotating angles like this, I guess, but yeah, I'm glad that I now have a pair of ones. I don't think I've been waiting to get like a pair of Jordan 1s I actually liked for a minute. So to actually have like a good pair, like this one right here, I'm glad to have it. So, you know, another under $100 cop shot Midland kicks for the steal on them. And definitely think I'm gonna be rocking these today. So sick pair of ones, got them for 80. And then we also copped, after getting those, we copped the Gucci chain. As I've already showed this enough, but the little gold 2-tone pendant right there, so you guys can see the details on that. I mean, this is so sick, I think. Like, I love the little 2-tone. So with the 14K chain, this isn't a crazy chain. I'll probably get another one instead of this one because I'm not a huge fan of it. But this pendant is so sick. Not anything big, but real gold, that's sick. And, you know, old previous cop, silver chain, and then the gold Louis lock. I think that goes dope together. So got these chains and, well, cop these ones. So those are my under $100 pickups, and that's who I got it from and how I did it. But if you guys did enjoy this 2 fire designer items for under $100 unboxing, or like how to get designer for under 100 Jordans for cheap, I guess this is sort of the theme for this video. If you like that, please go ahead and subscribe below. And don't forget, if everybody drops a like in this video, more people are gonna see it, and I'd really appreciate it. So let's see if we can hit 100 likes. I know we can do it, guys. Let's go for it. All right, hopefully people are seeing this video too. Hopefully YouTube sends it out, you know what I mean? There's notifications too. When you subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell so you get my videos. You can just get like occasionals too. So like when you hit the bell, you can hit occasional if you want to, if you don't want to get every single video, because I understand that. But if you want to get all my videos, make sure you have all the notifications on. You know, it has the little bell right there. Do that. So yeah, you guys can follow me on my Instagrams down below too. Tristan Wick, CLT Steals, probably popped it up so you guys can see, but follow me there. And yeah, not too much more to say other than some new cops, and I'm really happy about it. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I appreciate every single one of y'all. And go ahead and leave a comment below for more videos you want to see, or just what you think of my pickups, or some stuff you've bought recently. Let me know. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm Tristan, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.